Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. So today let's start to understand what is Python programming language. Okay, see, Python is a very powerful and easy to learn programming language. It has efficient high-level data structure and it also supports object-oriented programming, which is something very important. Okay, nowadays, see, it was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, this is the name. So if you want to know more about what motivated him to create Python programming language, okay, just try to search this name. You will find more information about it, what motivated him to create the Python programming language. Even also there is a very good documentary on YouTube for free. You can go there and watch it and you will see what motivated him to create the Python programming language. Python has some features like Python is free, Python is easy to learn and use, Python is expressive language, it is also interpreted language, it is cross-platform language. It's like the code that you will write on Windows, you can run the same code on Mac, on Linux, and other operative systems that support Python programming language. It is extensible. It is large standard library, so it's like Python has a lot of libraries which does a lot of stuff. Okay, so that's why it is said if you want to do something on Python, better you first to search if there is a library that can do that thing for you instead of you writing the code from scratch. So because as we know, so Python has a lot of libraries which gives you a lot of good solution for your problems if you are trying to do something. So that's why in Python programming language, most of the time you'll find something or some library which does the thing that you want to do. So you will never do a thing from scratch. Okay, I won't say that you'll never do. Sometimes you will do, but most of the time you don't need to do the things from scratch because there is always a library that can do that thing for you. And Python also it supports GUI, so which is graphical user interface, which means with Python you can also create a desktop application. You can also, even nowadays especially, you can also create mobile application by using Python programming language. There are also some good libraries which can do that for you, okay, which can help you to do those things, creating mobile application, even desktop application. And also with Python you can also create like websites. You can work with Python with machine learning, with data science, with a lot of stuff that you can do with Python. Okay, so this is the very basic thing that I can tell you about what is Python programming language. And Python is also very good for you to work with automation. Okay, if you are working with automation stuffs, Python is also very good programming language for you to do that. Also, as we said, Python is a programming language for solution. Okay, it was the main goal for Python is to create things, to do the things, not to complicate the things. Okay, so that's why if you are trying to do automation, try to use Python programming language because it's very good for you to do automation by using Python programming language. And there are also a lot of libraries that help you with automation. So if you want to learn more about what is Python programming language, just search on Google. You will get a lot of information about what is Python programming language. But for now, this is the only thing that you need to know about Python programming language. Okay, it's very easy for you to go with, to start with, and start building the things. And with Python you can do a lot of stuffs, and because of its huge library and also a very supportive community, there is always a solution for anything that you want to do or you are planning to do with Python programming language. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.